Hey everyone, Dan here. Before we get into it, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. And keep in mind that these are my own thoughts, opinions, and ideas. These are not meant to be, nor should you take them as, investment or trading advice in any way, shape, or form. Do your own due diligence, put in the work for yourself, and make your decisions based on that. Enjoy. Alright folks, here we are on Wednesday, March 20th. We're going to take a look at Micron today, ticker MU. With earnings coming up, I thought we'd come and see where it might hit some support or resistance, whether it booms or busts, and of course some levels that it might sort of hug if it does move relatively sideways. So at the moment it's at about 94.5. I don't know if it'll move much today unless the overall market, really moves off of FOMC, which is certainly possible. But typically on days like this, we would look for the stock to kind of move pretty cautiously until the earnings just come out. So just bear in mind that I'm doing this a bit before noon. So in any case, the nearest in resistance level, 95.09. Of course, if it finishes the day over that, then that will become the nearest in support level, so on and so forth. 97.02 and 101.85. Now, if it does dip down here at 84.99, I tried to pick what I felt were the strongest levels, but I'm certainly leaving some out in an effort to not clutter the chart too much. There's probably a level here just under 89, so maybe keep that in mind. Now, those are the blue levels, and that was about all that we had to base it off of. Now, if I zoom out a bit, you can see here the yellow levels that I have on the chart. These are fib extension levels. So if it does go past this like 101.85, the extension levels that I have are 104.84, 109.33, and 113.82. I think that's as high as it goes, or at least, oh, nope. Oh, wow, okay, there's a few more. 120.22, 128.36, and 151.88. So that helps out when there's not really great previous price action to go off of, just some fairly thin price action. That is also quite old, which may not mean anything, but I felt that the extension levels may sort of work for this kind of setup. I just wasn't sure that we'd be able to see them all. That I'd be able to zoom out far enough to see them all. So those are the yellow levels. Now, on the think or swim side of things, you see this big push recently. We'll see how the market prices that in as it blends it with the actual nuts and bolts of the report itself. Do folks feel that that was warranted? Do folks feel that even potentially good news is priced in, so on and so forth? Now, it did pull back into the channel, retested the mid-range a few times. For now, it's holding. Bullish momentum dying down. Again, I wouldn't expect that to change dramatically today unless there's a huge macro reaction in the market, but we'll see. That said, if it does get a really big push or pull off of earnings, be interesting to see if it can stay within the channel or if it pushes out. If it does stay within the channel, at the moment, the upper bound is 98.41, the lower bound is 86.43, with that mid-range being 92.42. All right, folks, I hope that you're having a good hump day, and as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.